Good morning, y'all. I hope y'all are having a great day. Um, I'm fixing to show y'all a recipe for a frittata. It's a yard. What did I name it? Yard egg blender frittata is what I named this, y'all. And it calls for a 14-inch cast iron pan. Would you believe I can't find a 14-inch cast iron pan around here. So I got to go through my garage and see if I got one. Somehow it's missing. But this is like a 10 and a half. So I'm going to spray it real good because I don't want my frittata to stick. And let's see, where did olive oil go? Where did my olive oil go? I might not
put
see.
it back.
Where did you?
Behind you and then your cabinet.
Oh. I'm going to put in just a little extra oil because I tell you to liberally oil your pan. So I liberally liberally, y'all know what I'm saying. So I'm telling y'all, this is such a simple recipe. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 eggs. And everything literally goes into the blender. 3 cloves of garlic, some diced onion, some cream cheese, which is going to make it so good, and spinach. I like cooking like this, y'all, where it's a dump, dump, dump. All right, and some fresh basil. I'm going to save a little bit for the top of the frittata. And Parmesan cheese. Let's do a little cracked pepper. I can't see over in there. So that's all right. Here it is. I'm discombobulated this morning. There we go. All right, so we're just I'm gonna put just a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper. Just a little. Like that little. And I'm gonna beat this until it's light and fluffy. Does that look fluffy to y'all? Well, we're gonna say it is. I mean, everything is mixed up so good. All right. Oh my, you got to smell, Teresa.
Yum, basil.
The basil and the onion and the garlic is an incredible smell. So we just gonna pour it into and look, it fit. Of course, it may run over before it's all said and done. So we're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes. And as soon as it starts to set, y'all, I'm gonna, I got some things that I want to put on top of it. So it'll be real pretty. So here we go. Okay, y'all. It's been 15 minutes. And we're going to finish letting this sit. But before we do that, first thing we're going to do is sprinkle it very liberally with our Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to put a tomato slices on it. And our onion slices. Yeah, I think that'll be good. There we go. And now we're going to put our basil leaves on top. Still smells good, doesn't it, Teresa?
Yum.
Okay. A little black pepper. And more cheese. More cheese, please. Thank you for eating your breakfast, Lulu. Thank you, thank you. Okay, here we go. We're going to put it back in the oven until it's set. I am so hungry, y'all. This makes a nice brunch item or breakfast or a dinner, along with a green salad. You've got all the nutrients that you need. Look what that basil did to our frittata. I want to get all my onions. What is that siren going for?
The test.
Oh, the
12
test.
o'clock.
Oh, that's right.
12 once a month.
Okay, bon appetit. This tastes very similar to the flavors that a pizza has, y'all. Teresa, you've got to have a piece while it's still hot. And if I could quit eating, you could do that, couldn't you? Whoops. I think y'all really be surprised. It's so easy. So easy. Just pull out that blender and do it all. So I'm not going to make y'all suffer any longer watching me eat this wonderful dish. So I will see y'all later. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.